Good morning! Ang sarap ng gising, oh. This is what I had for my pangit this morning. Ayan. Say good morning.
Hello.
Ayan, ready na. Si Luna hindi pa nagsusuklay. Ayan ang breakfast niya. Kasi kasuhin ko muna. I just want to show you this is what my husband got today for me as a Valentine. O, diba? And may ikukwento ako sa inyo, guys. Aga? May kukwento ako sa inyo, guys. Ang aga na yung na magtitititili. Sakit sa ano? Sa tenga. Kwento ako sa inyo. Ayun na pala. Diba? Ano ni Habi? Valentine, ano niya. Naggalit-galitan ako sa kanya kahapon. Kasi nga, naakala ko at akala niya na confirm niya yung off niya today. Pero hindi pala. So, walang magaganap na dinner date sa aming dalawa. At walang magaganap na, alam niyo na, boom, 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 bang. Ganon. Pero may surprise ako sa kanya mamaya. Samahan niyo akong isurpresa siya. Nagtatampo din siya ngayon kasi hindi ko talaga siya pinapansin kahapon pa. So, kanina nagpaalam siya sa akin na aalis na siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, pakailam ko. Pero hindi niya alam.
Good job!
Surprise sa kanya. Samahan niyo ko surpresahin ang aking pangit. Hindi lang lalaki ang nag-e-effort sa Valentine. Tayo din mga babae. So guys, kahit anong maisip niyo na sa tingin niyo mapapasaya yung partner niyo, asawa niyo, boyfriend niyo, do it. Hindi lang lalaki ang nag-e-effort. Tayo din. Okay? So, samahan niyo ako mamaya, ha? Surpresahin natin ang aking pangit. Naka-lipstick kasi nag-lipstick ang mami. Ganyan si Luna. Buksan natin yung card ni pangit, guys. Baka may check o cash. Ay, wala.
Oops!
Ayan ang kanyang card. I love us. Dear Puskas, happy Valentine's Day, my love. I wish we can share a great meal together over the weekend. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you are going to like your new purse. Love always, pangit. Ang liit kasi ng sulat, guys. Wala pa akong salamin, kaya ayan. Yan ang kanyang card, o diba? Dapat kasi magmi-meal kami today. Kaso, hindi niya na-confirm yung kanyang day off. So, may pasok siya. Kaya ang lola niyo nagagalit-galitan today. So, babawi na lang siya sa weekend, sabi niya. Pero ako, may surprise ako sa kanya. Hindi niya alam, may pasabog ako. O, diba? Ito na yung surprise ko sa kanya, guys. Nilutuan ko siya ng chicken pad krapao. Yan yung Thai dish na kay Mark Wings. Dapat may itlog yan na sunny side up kaso hindi siya mahilig sa itlog. And sticky rice. Tapos ito pa yung So, ayan yung kanyang pad krapao. And then, this is my card for him. Waiting. And then, ito yung chocolate ko sa kanya. Kasi sa aming dalawa, siya yung may sweet tooth. Ito, paano ko sa dalawang boys ko, pa-Valentine's ko sa dalawang boys ko. Sila yung mahilig sa sweet, ako wala. So, ito yung card ni Habi sa akin. Ayan. At saka yung pa-flowers niya. Yung dalawa. This is my little surprise for him. Bihira ko na kasi siyang malutuan. This is simple, but guys, ma-appreciate niya to kasi as he knew, I'm so busy on Luna. So, bihira ko na siya malutuan. So, sa kanya, malaking bagay yan. So, happy Valentine, my love. I hope you enjoy your pad krapao. Chicken pad krapao. Ayan. So, kayo din ha, small gesture sa ating mga loved ones and partner, kahit ano pa yan, masahiin nyo, bilhan nyo ng kung ano, paglutuan nyo, they will appreciate it. So, do it. Actually, we need to do it, guys. Hindi lang Valentine's. Dapat, kung kaya naman, kahit hindi Valentine's o any occasion, di ba? show them love and gratefulness. So, happy Valentine, my love. Happy Heart Day. Enjoy your pad krapao. Cha-cha! Come down here, Thomas. I gonna... Gabriel, Happy Valentine's.
Pardon?
Happy Valentine's.
Love you.
I love you. I love you, baby boy. Happy Valentine's.
Oh, thank you, Ma.
Thank you so much.
Oh, wait. Oh, I got full of love.
I have gummies and needles.
And this one, Happy Valentine's. Ito, hindi na to niya na need ng ano eh. Happy Valentine's, bro, ha? Happy Valentine's, bro, ha? Ay, magpaipit. O, tingnan mo, mukha siyang... Diyos ko, mukha siyang Barbie. Mukha siyang ano... Manika talaga. Oh, ay, so pretty ng aking baby. I love you, pretty girl. Ganda ng hair niya. Pakita ko. Ayan, ang ganda ng hair niya, guys. Oh. Naligo kami. Pero amoy ano na ako. Amoy ulam na ako, guys. Amoy ulam na. Hey, pretty girl. Ganda ng bebe ko talaga. No, thank you. Pretty girl. Hi. Psst. Hey. Hey, pretty. Are you watching Brother Game? Hey.
Oh, my sister.
Suplado si... nagsiselo siya, guys. Sabi niya si Mami binigyan ng mga candy kuya ko. Ako hindi. Nakatingin lang ako sa'yo, Mami.
Yeah, you see that, Luna?
I love you.
See that?
Ganda talaga ng
Oh my,
baby.
I was actually about to pop you.
I love you. I love you. I love you so much. Kiss Mommy. Kiss Mommy.
Oh,
I love you so much.
girl.
Oh, look at what she playing. Makipaglaro na lang ako sa kanya. Hindi ko siya binigyan ng sweet, guys, kasi gamis yun. Hindi naman niya kumakain ng ganyan. Makipag-play na lang sa'yo si Mommy, ha? Play na lang. What is that? I love you.
Pelican.
I love you so much, baby.
Oh,
Everyday naman sa'yo, ano eh, may gift eh.
goose. Whoa.
Enjoy siya. I love you, Gab.
Okay. Love you, Ma.
Oh, Daddy got a surprise for Luna.
Elephant, lion, monkey, another zebra. Yeah.
Come on na, pour her down na. Pour down na. Come on. He got a surprise as well for you. You put on the light.
On the light. There be light.
There. Ta-da!
Oh, lovely. Oh,
Surprise!
Philippines? So like she said Philippines. Hello. Thank you, Mummy. Thank you, Angry Bear. Ow.
That's first time pangit ka na have pad krapao. And you had a box of chocolate.
A bunch of chocolate.
And you got a card.
Thank you. On the last round. Yeah, they come out nicely. Yeah.
He will enjoy his food. There's your chocolate as well.
We will both eat those, yeah? Okay. A poem
Yes.
for my husband. I guess I'm the blue one. You're with the shopping one. Look what you got with me. Sorry, look what you got with me for a wife. Bills to pay for the rest of your life. Errands to run, dresses to zip, now and then a little lip. Household chores, changing moods, sometimes strange exotic foods. But through it all, good times and bad, you've been the best husband a girl ever had. Happy Valentine's Day.
Turn it. That's the real message.
Happy Heart Day. To my pundit core, sometimes it's hard to find words to tell you how much you mean to me. If I did anything right in my life, it was when I gave you my heart when I gave my heart to you. You are my pundit god, and you are soulmate and my forever. I love you always, forever. Kiss, kiss, che.
You like
It's
it?
a lovely card. Yeah, it's really good. Where did you find that?
Love you.
It's lovely. I love you too.
Eat
So,
na.
what is this?
This is pad krapao,
Pad
Thai dish.
Side dish, okay.
I cooked it with beef before for myself to just tested it.
You cooked it with what?
Beef.
Oh, beef, okay.
Because you don't enjoy beef as much I do, so I use chicken breast. That's cooked with garlic, onion, chili, so I got a bit of kick. With soy sauce and oyster sauce. I use seed oil. Sesame seed oil to stir fry it. Yeah, and the chicken,
Okay.
and then it's basil, served with sticky rice.
Dinosaurs.
Nice.
Mm.
Supposed to be with sunny side up egg, as the
Yeah.
tradition. But
To
you
be
don't
honest,
eat egg.
if it was scrambled, I could probably have
No,
it.
it's not
if
scrambled.
diced
It's sunny side up.
up. Yeah, it's very nice. I think I prefer it diced up very small like this. If it was larger chunks, you know, like
That's
you're
a
getting chunks.
whole chicken breast, Daddy. I bought it. There are 3 pieces. I chopped it in a little
But you cut this up very fine. How did you do that?
knife. It took
No,
me a
literally,
while.
because this is
Yeah.
the smallest you've ever cut a
Yeah.
chicken breast up.
It
From
took. You love it?
lovely.
Okay, you still have more. And I cook more sticky rice.
That's right.
I'm gonna send her to sleep na, Daddy, yeah? She's tired.
Okay. Come here, darling. Can I have a kiss?
Enjoy. And your
She hasn't
chocolate.
slept tonight,
No,
yet.
she didn't.
I'm not going to eat my chocolates, baby. Yeah, all right. We share that, you know, when we're sitting on the couch or something.
I love you.
I am going to have one piece of bread. That's it.
Okay. Bye-bye.
End the video.
I think it's nice as well with, what's that? Roti. The
yeah,
roti.
yeah, it would be. Yeah.